All right, baby, we're rocking. You see this, Jax? Hey, put your seatbelt on. All right, let's hit the road. All right. Mach 1's a little messy. Do a little POV on our way to the football field. Take my son to go play catch. Instead of taking the truck, I told him take the Mach 1. Have some fun. Oh yeah, it's my son's favorite car. Right, Jax? The Mach 1's your favorite? Well, I mean, we know you like the Dark Horse though, but what's your favorite, Mach 1 or Dark Horse? Huh? Mach 1 or Dark Horse? You're not gonna answer? You think it'll make me mad? Tell him, Jax, which one you like, Mach 1 or Dark Horse? He's not gonna answer. He wants to say Dark Horse. It's alright. I like the Mach 1. He loves the Mach 1 though. It is his favorite, but he told me when he gets older he's gonna buy the Dark Horse because we already have the Mach 1. Yeah, we're in Chicago. It's 44 degrees outside. Nice little day to take the Mustang out. Thank God it's not snowing. The salt's all washed off because it rained for about a week and a half. So the roads are nice and clean. I gotta start making car content soon. That's the goal. It's hard to do it in Chicago though. That's why I haven't done nothing the last like 4 months really. There's nothing you can really do in Chicago. I don't like driving this thing in the winter because of the salt, so it was pretty much put away. I drove it. I did drive it though on nice days, but oh yeah. This one's a little uphill, but we'll give it to it on this back road here. I used to own a 2021 Performance Pack 10R80. It was cool, the Performance Pack. It's not the Mach 1 though. I mean, I know a lot of people say, oh, Mach 1 is just a GT parts bin. And I know a lot of you guys heard this saying over and over when you're watching reviews, but it's not a GT. It's a lot better. Transmission's a lot better. Definitely got an upgraded torque converter. It's recalibrated. Shifts way better. The Mach 1 is definitely way more planted. That's the first thing I noticed when I got rid of my 21 GT Performance Pack for this. I noticed right away this car's planted. You feel safe. Look at that. It peeled out a little bit right there. Stop driving crazy with my son in the car. Yeah, it's definitely more fun. But my Performance Pack was a little better on gas though. The Mach 1 just slightly off, but yeah, the ride with the Mach 1 is way more planted, way more smoother. Just you actually feel like you're driving something special compared to the Performance Pack. Performance Pack was awesome. It was a lot more raw, but you did feel like with the Performance Pack you're gonna spin out of control a lot more compared to this Mach 1. But yeah, definitely I need to clean it. I've been driving it lately. Added the steering wheel, some paddle shifters. What the hell am I saying? The shifters. Did a little bit of carbon fiber on the interior. Just threw it, you know, where you see it here, a little bit right there. But yeah, it's a joy. I definitely did not make the wrong decision buying this Mach 1. I love it. Every day I see it, I just fall in love again. And then when I park it somewhere, I look back at it like 4 or 5 times. It's something I didn't do with the GT. But yeah, this is the park right over here. I take my kid to. We're gonna go throw some football. He's got to practice. He's got his football season coming up. And it's gonna be his first time playing organized football, so I'm gonna train him. He's definitely got the skill though. He's only 6 years old. I posted a video about him, what was that, 2 days ago? But yeah, here, I'm gonna park this Mach 1. I'll give you a little walk around real quick. Definitely don't want to park it next to anybody. Do a little walk around and then I'll let you guys judge it, see what you think about it. I upgraded the rims. I put some super speed rims, wheels on it. They're lighter, they're like 19 pounds each. They look like the Performance Pack 2 rims. I added a carbon fiber spoiler. All that stuff's already posted. If you look at my channel, you'll see. But here, Jax. Yeah, those are the rims I did. Looking clean. Gotta wash this car. But yeah, that's what I did. Let's get a little close up. Carbon fiber. I added a carbon fiber on the tail lights. I'm gonna do the deck lid carbon fiber, and then I need to put my spoiler back on, my lower splitter, front splitter. I gotta put that back on. I definitely want to put carbon fiber down here though, on the front splitter. I bought a carbon fiber lower splitter, so, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make the upper splitter carbon fiber. I gotta find the right print for that to match it. But yeah, it's the Mach 1. I love it. Every day I drive it, puts a smile on my face. Hey, be careful with cars. It's a nice little view of it right there. Oh yeah. Are you ready, big guy? Got your blue sweater on like the Mach 1? Look at that car, it's beautiful.
I'm not ready.
Alright, YouTube. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Things are gonna get better. I'm gonna start posting soon. We'll get some content out there. I'm gonna take this car on a couple trips too. Definitely looking forward to the Tail of the Dragon though. I'm gonna take it out there. Alright, peace.
Channel.
We'll put it on your channel too.
What?
Alright guys, bye.
No.
Every car I got slammed to the pavement. What I spent